what they think they know.
We can now go full stop, no comma.
This is terrible, honestly.
I find the constructor surprised the right thing. They thought they're doing something.
No, the bricks are good, you know. Are good. The cement is there. The sand is good quality. And hoop iron is there. And they're doing the total opposite of.